How to draft a GDPR data privacy audit. Small companies. Is your organization already GDPR approved? For smaller companies, we provide this data privacy audit template that can be easily filled in. Download this Excel data privacy audit now. The EU General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, is the most important change in data privacy regulation in 20 years. This policy directive was adopted in May 2016 because most Europeans say they want the same data protection rights across the EU and regardless of where their data is processed. It aims to make Europe fit for the digital age. Enforcement date, May 25, 2018, at which time those organizations in non-compliance may face heavy fines. We're here to help you become compliant. The GDPR comes with a set of rules and regulations for the protection of personal data inside and outside the European Union, EU, and affects all companies that save personal data from European citizens. An international organization is defined by the GDPR directive as an organization and its subordinate bodies governed by public international law, or any other body which is set up by, or on the basis of, an agreement between two or more countries. GDPR Article 4. We provide example GDPR document templates and also a complete set of GDPR templates in order to help you to comply with the GDPR regulations from the EU. These GDPR document templates are provided in Microsoft Office formats, and easy to customize to your organization's specific needs. Often completed example documents are also provided in order to help you with your implementation in order to save precious time. Download this data privacy audit for small companies now or check out our fit for purpose GDPR complete compliance kit templates here. The documents will be available to download immediately after purchase. Check out and download this template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com